Hey guys, so I wanted to give you guys a little bit of a tutorial while I'm doing this. Now, obviously my role is not to be detailing, but this property is quite a large home. It's got a lot of, I think there's at least 4 bathrooms, and they were already beautiful. I didn't have to renovate them. So a lot of my jobs, if we're changing taps, well then they're already great because they're brand new. But this one we didn't. However, when the cleaners came in yesterday, their standard clean didn't really get them polished enough. So I wanted to get more of a detail. Now, mind you, my original cleaners that were meant to be here to detail this pulled out and completely let us down. Now, we have to be on market in 3 days. So I don't take no for an answer. I can't do this. I will not change a client's timeline. We need to get the shit moving. So I managed to get our other cleaning guys to come in yesterday and do a clean, not a detail. Now we've come in this morning looking at everything looks great from far, but when you get up close, look at this. Now this is, they're 20-year-old taps. This does not come off just with a standard clean. You need to have the right stuff, you need to polish it. So this is one that I've just done. Look at the difference. Now, again, these aren't brand new, so you're never gonna get them perfect, and I'm not a detailer. This is just some tips that I got from Samantha from Shine Group and with her products that I've been using to be able to get them to that standard. So that's why I'm here today, because I don't usually do this, but we need to make sure that this looks smick. This is a premium property, so things like that make a difference. Whereas handles like this, I just bought new ones so that we're gonna change over. So we're talking here, this property, a lot of it is restoring. It's had the new carpet, it's had the new painting, it's had all the pavers, which you can't see from here, but it has had a lot of new things getting done. However, a lot of the existing bathrooms, the big ticket items, we didn't have to spend that much money to do. So it's about being cost effective and strategic so they can get their return on investment because they're selling. So making sure that taps, mirrors are looking smick and shiny and crystal is very important for that premium look when you go to market. We want buyers, they may be only in here for a few minutes, but you really want them to be wowed and not think, oh, I've got to change taps, I've got to do this, I've got to do that. Oh, look, that needs work, because that just brings objections for them to then negotiate price. So we want people running in here thinking there is nothing needs to be done because the place looks amazing, but to get it to that level, existing bathrooms, existing kitchens that have been used over time need to be detailed. I've also just done this towel rail. Now, again, you're not going to get it perfect, but this, at least you got like a mirror finish now. Before it was still very stained that you just had to polish that chrome. So I can't wait because there's a lot of polishing to do today. But make sure you add value to your property in the most strategic way to maximize your return on investment. Get those buyers running at your property, not finding objections to then negotiate price.